Fuck it, we ball. Good morning, gamers. Hello, Hero of Logic. I was kind of mad when Godot came out and made searching for character Godot from Ace Attorney harder, which I guess made it harder to search for the original Godot. So I deserve it, lol. Hi. Hi. So far, it's still super early. I just installed someone else's first-person character controller and started messing around with it. Did you start early? Yeah. Oh man, this is kind of annoying. This is my window capture, this is my game capture. Ah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, I started early. I'm not late. I'm early. Anyway, first-person character controller. Stole this from someone else, by which I mean it's like a free thing that someone made. Which one is this? README. Quality Godot first-person 2. Yeah, pretty sure it's on the asset lib. Quality first-person controller V2 by Zakaria. Anyway, messing around with this. I'm trying to copy Neon White here, so it's kind of gonna be like kind of a clone. Susie Blue! Hi. Hi, JPZ. Need to put notifications. Yeah, YouTube, the notification bell, something. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Oh man, I'm excited to see what people do with the new flavor designs. Hello, Susie Blue. Anyway, I should put a to-do list here. Let's see, text source. Yeah. Do you want a loading screen, ending screen, BRB screen? I've been planning to do that for a while and just never have gotten around to it. Your arm's out of control. Yeah, I know, it's the camera tracking. Let's see. Shotgun jump. Basic. Oh god, this is way too big. That. Pause settings menu. And grass. I'm gonna have grass be like the water from Neon White, where it like speeds you up. Actually, let me turn off the hand tracking for now. Damn it. This menu. Hand tracking enabled off. Okay. Resize this. Yeah, whatever. That's probably fine. Anyway, first-person character controller. Where's the character scene? Here we are. Yeah, I was just messing around with the settings here. Turned off the crouch button, but I do want sprinting. But I don't want sprinting to be controlled by the player. Like I said, I want to like copy how the water in Neon White makes you run faster, so I'm gonna have grass. If you touch grass, you run fast. So what I'm thinking I can do there is just have like a oh, it looks like I have to exit focus or something from the window for it to show up. Anyway, have the grass act like the water in Neon White, and I'm thinking I can just have use like collision layers and masks. So if we're in the test world, let's say this is the grass. Then we have the collision layer. Hold on. Let's say grass is layer, was it 2? 3? 2? We'll say 2 for now since I'm doing it first. But then we have something under the player that like detects Do-do-do-do. I forgot I think there was already like a thing under here somewhere. Head bob animation is on floor. Oh, it's just the like built-in is on floor. So actually, can I just do like a collision area? Do. Oh, state is stored as a string. Okay, I guess I can just edit that from from outside. Okay, we have an enter sprint state function. Okay, so let's see, we add not a collision shape, it's like an area 3D. Yeah, an area 3D. We just have that below. This needs a child collision shape. And we'll do a box. A box under the player. That's totally fine, actually. Right, and then there's like a... Right, okay, so then we need to change the mask? Collision, layer, mask. So this only reacts with layer 2, which we said was the grass? Right, okay. Area entered, body entered. Physics body 3D or area. Is this even gonna... Does this work? Wait, what are these boxes? CSG... Use collision layer. Let's just like print out to see if we detect these collisions here. Mask is 2, then node. Let's add a script. Grass detector. I guess I'll reorder this text. The to-do list, if I'm doing this first. Area entered, body entered. I'm just gonna... Let's just see if this detects the floors here. Body entered. Something like this. Okay. Body. Okay, so it detects a body. So it is a body, okay. We'll need an export var. What's this class called? Character? Doesn't have a class name. I could... Class name... I'll just call it character because that's what the script's called. I got filtered so hard by programming lol because you need like numbers and logic. Yeah, I was always kind of into math as a kid. I didn't like really start like exploring programming until high school. I took some classes. Yeah. It's numbers, it's data. It's like a shit ton of different things interacting with other things, and code becomes spaghetti. Do that. And I've been messing around with Godot for like a good couple of weeks. So character dot set, was it sprint enter sprint state. Okay, so we land on the thing. Oh, wait. Okay, but then we immediately exit the sprint state, I assume. So now, actually, if we test this out, I'm pretty sure like if we're moving and land, then it'll sprint. Oh, okay, it just sprints for like a second because we're not holding sprint. Oh, okay. Ah, here. Okay. So we don't want to handle this at all. Actually, hold on. If sprint enabled, where else is this used? Oh, so it only triggers this state changes. Actually, so if we just disable sprint enabled. Oh, yep, we're sprinting. All right. Okay. And now we just have on body exited. All right, connect the signal to the area 3D, and then character dot enter normal state, right? Sprinting. Oh my god, it just works. Look, it's literally the water from it's the water from Neon White, except it's grass. Pippa hates touching grass. We're gonna play as Pippa in this game, and Pippa doesn't want to touch grass, so she runs faster in the grass. Or maybe she loves the grass. I don't know. All right, there we go. That's that feature done. Kind of. All right, a shotgun jump. We're gonna add to the character. Can this be no, it has to be in node 3D, right? No, wait, we just need a reference to we just need a script that references the, we're eventually gonna put the view model underneath this, so I guess it should be a node 3D. Okay. And we'll call this grass detector. Shotgun. Right. Except the character is what has the velocity that we want to modify. Okay, we can just set an export var. Shotgun. Export var. Character. You, character. What am I doing here? Right. We want to handle input. Let's check our input map. Add a new action shoot. Let's do left mouse button and then like right trigger. Wait. Xbox right trigger. Maybe it should be, yeah, that and bumper, right bumper. RB. Wait, RB. Sure, let's do that. Okay, so now we have a fire input. Or I think I named it shoot. Okay, it's named shoot. We'll do input is action just pressed. That's what I named the input. Yeah, shoot. All right. Shooting time. On physics process. If input dot just pressed is action just pressed. Shoot. And we're just testing stuff out right now, so no worrying about state and stuff. Eventually we'll have like ammo and a reload animation. Character dot velocity. Now we need to get the where the player's looking. Well, time to look up some tutorials. I think usually it like involves shooting a raycast from the camera. Man. Man, I feel like all the FPS tutorials spend a ton of time on like the character controller, and it's so hard to find like resources for the actual like weapons. Here, 3D shooting mechanics tutorial. Yeah, we're probably going to use like projectiles instead of hit scans. Raycast. Oh, they put a raycast on the gun. Okay, I just want a raycast from the camera though. I guess I could just look at my code from some other projects. Where did I even? Oh man, player. Handle shoot, weapon manager. This code is, I'm not showing it on screen, but this was me messing around on another project and it's a little messy. I don't know, games got a little messy. Oh, I used camera project ray normal. Wait, it returns a normal vector. Trajectory origin, trajectory normal. Okay, maybe I should look at the Godot docs. GodotEngine.org. Learn camera. Camera 3D. Camera 3D. Okay. Project local ray normal. Project position. Project ray normal. Project ray origin. Okay. So I think what we do is... Whoop. Whoop. Viewport size equals get viewport dot get visible rect dot size. I think that's like a, assume that's an int. And from there, is it project local ray normal? We need like a local to this object. Var equals I need a reference to the camera. Add export var camera 3D. Oh, whoops. Character, shoot. Camera equals camera dot project local ray normal at viewport size over 2. Oh, okay. And then print local ray normal. Well, that doesn't help. I think we just do project ray origin, project ray normal. Ray origin. Ray normal equals camera project ray normal. Oh god. Okay, and if these are in global space, then that means I can just subtract them. I think they're... Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's global space, so we just subtract them. Normal minus origin. Click. Hi Sunny. Man, 3D is fun. Everyone always says like to do a 2D game when you're starting out, and I guess I did like technically start out with 2D games on like the one course I took on game dev. But man, I just like 3D games. And in a way that's like more important, like you enjoying the whatever thing you're working on, even if it's harder. As long as you don't get like, it's not like filtering you for difficulty. Okay. Normal minus origin dot normalized. Equals ray origin minus ray normal dot normalized times export var force float, and we'll set that to 50 to test. And then character dot velocity plus equals addvel. We can just get rid of this variable. Just add it directly. Okay, that's way too much. The Y velocity, actually. It's pretty ridiculous. Okay, let's just lower this a lot. Let's start with 5 to test. I think it's doing what we want. Can't really tell. Let's increase it a bit. 10. That seems off. That seemed kind of right. But not really. Something's weird. Make the top left text smaller. Sure. Hello, Smugrets. Should I just put this corner here? Sure. What I'm trying to do is just get the direction that we're aiming at and then push the player in that direction. Oh, does that mean I need to reverse this? Hold on. Normal minus ray origin. Wait, or was that already reversed? Wait. No, no, that's not right. Toward where we're looking at the opposite direction. It's supposed to be like you have a shotgun and then you use the knockback of the shotgun to launch you, sort of like a rocket jump. So it's supposed to be like the opposite of where we're looking. Wait a minute. Oh wait, okay, hold on. So N should be ray origin plus this. Ray N minus ray origin. Oh, and now we're getting pushed towards where we were clicking, I think. Okay, ray origin minus ray end. Still a little weird with the how we're lerping. Oh, right. I think I was thinking about this as I was coming up with this idea. The way this character controller works is that it's like lerping towards the desired velocity. But I want the player to like be able to go above the velocity for a bit longer. So I want like a reduced acceleration when we're above the desired speed we're trying to go. I always had trouble setting velocity in Godot. Still sort of feels like I've only been messing with it for a while. And I don't know if I've encountered any like bugs that weren't just me doing something that wasn't what I was trying to go for. Okay. Should we call this just deceleration? float. Something like that. Believe. Where was I? Right, okay, so we're getting above our like max speed, and then we're like very quickly going back to the max speed, so let's see. And I think we're using this bit of code here. So var Excel equals doing the funny Python style ternaries. Acceleration if what's it? Face Jam starts today? Yep. Yep, started this this morning. Oh. Let's see how that goes. Ooh, okay, okay. Nice, nice. It's a little, seems a little awkward. It's making it very hard to like change directions. But I think it's working. Anyway, good luck with Phase Jam if you wanted to do something there. Oh, right, okay, so I can use the dot product of the direction, compare it with the velocity to see if the player is like moving in the direction of the velocity or like trying to move against it. Wait, is direction already... Direction equals input dir dot rotated input dir handle movement. Input dir is input dot get vector. It's a vector too, okay. Yeah, let's just add some types. Okay, direction is already a vector too, so speed xc dot with input dir is less than 0. That's how we check if vectors are in the same direction, right? Okay. Now we can turn around easily, or we can keep going at the speed if we... Okay. I need to put like a speed XZ on this debug panel. The debug panel. var speed xc equals vector 2 velocity.x velocity.c. Do I need a order? Order? Okay. Let's put that on 4 or something. Lateral speed. Speed xc dot length. Okay, okay. Wait. There's something weird here. I'm going this direction. Hmm. 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 Speed dot xc dot dot. All right, is it time for print statement debugging? Print speed xc inputter speed xc dot dot inputter. Oh god, that is hard to read. Negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay, this is not this is not what we want. Oh wait, we should be checking the signs? Wait. No, wait. Oh, because the dot product could be negative. Wait. God damn it. I know there's like something funny with the dot product and like the Quake source engine movement code. Code behind Quake's movement. Funny hopping from the programmer's perspective. Yeah, this article is what I'm looking at. Something. What if we do input dir dot dot speed xc? Or does input dir need to be rotated to be local? Oh, that's probably it. Negative, negative, negative. Positive, 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 negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay. Oh wait, we have it right here. It's direction. Direction. The local version of input dir. Positive, negative. Positive, negative. Oh. Oh, it's a vector 3. Oh, wait. Here, direction xc is a vector 2. Far direction, vector 3 is a vector 3. Direction xc dot x. Direction xc dot y. Funny naming. Direction xc. And here, direction xc. All right, positive, 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 positive. All right, I think we have it. I'm not even sure if we want it to behave like this, because that's a really quick turnaround. I kind of like it. Kind of. I don't know, it still feels a little unnatural. Okay, you jump, you shoot backwards, you're moving faster, you want to correct, so you just turn around immediately. I know that, like, neon white doesn't do it that quickly. You can't just, like, instantly turn around like that. So maybe it's handled with, like, different states. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Boom. Boom. I don't know. What happens if I just let go? Okay. It slows down until we're below 8 and then it just stops. What if I just get rid of the direction check? No, that still feels really weird. Maybe I just need less acceleration in the air? Something like that. But you have a ton of air control in neon white. Here I go, referencing neon white again. Where's my is on floor check? Accel equals acceleration if is on floor, else deceleration. Wait, no, not deceleration, air acceleration. Okay, that feels like pretty intuitive. You don't have as much like air control, but Is on floor or speed exceed on length is less than speed? Okay, so lots of control at low speeds. If you're above your max speed, then hold on, lateral speed is what I should be looking at. That's like reasonable, I think. Yeah, so it's still, it takes you a bit to turn around if you're above your like current speed. Actually, yeah, that feels pretty good. Print Excel, just to see. Yeah, okay, I'm liking that. Alright. We're running. We're jumping. We shotgun jump. Cool. Oh, and there's one more thing I wanted to like add to the shotgun jump. I want it to like, what was it? If character velocity dot y is less than 0 and we'll move this to a variable. Name it addval. Okay, addval. It's greater than 0. Character velocity y equals 0. What I wanted is if you're falling and you shoot below you, then it resets your y velocity. Okay, yeah, I'm liking that. Okay, that's cool. Then I'll have like limited ammo and stuff like that. Save that for later. Do. Yeah, honestly, I think that's good for the shotgun jump for now. Still gonna have to work on assets, animation, stuff like that. Alright, so what should we do now? Make the shotgun actually fire projectiles? Pause settings menu. Yeah, I could probably add a pause settings menu. So right now, I suppose we should attach it to the character. Guess that's fine. Since we have the user interface here anyway. Where's the reticle actually? Reticle control. User interface, add child, okay. So it gets added there. I guess I don't have to add it here, do I? In fact, I can move it out into another component on this. Pause. Pause. Yeah, I could just take this code and then add it to a new... Maybe put it here. Like a pause menu. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. And then I can move this out. Move this here. And forgot there's like a function you can call. It's like get tree something. Pausing games process mode. Get tree.paused equals true. Okay. You process mode always. All right. Pause, unpause. There we go. Now what? Build the actual menu. I suppose it should be like as a separate scene. Save branches scene. Pause menu. Scenes. Yeah, pause menu. Alright, cool. Pause menu, full rect. Oh, is that going to work? User interface also full rect. Okay, so I think it's going to work. Okay, so if we save this, pause menu is full rect. Okay. Add a child node. I guess a panel container. You anchor center. Add a margin container. Add a VBox container. Add a label, which is just going to be pause. Theme. I thought we had a theme. Yes, we do have a theme. Okay, there we go. Add a button. Resume. That's not centered. Center. There you go. Options. Don't have an options menu yet, but when we do, quit to menu. Name this resume button, name this options button, name this quit to menu button. Just make these unique names. Resume button dot focus, grab focus. Cool. Okay. Resume button. Resume button. Button. Resume button. UI ordinals pressed. And visible equals true. Visible equals false. And func ready. Visible is false. Okay, pause menu not visible, pause menu visible, okay. We also should hide the reticle. Okay, character as a reticle. Reticle1.tscn. This has a script. So actually, if we this extend center container, so we can hide it, right? So class name reticle, so we can access it. And I thought here, let's do it this way. User interface as a control. There's like a find child, Godot find child. Find child node by type. Okay, there's a find children. Or there's also a find child pattern. Matches individual node names. Reticle 1 is named reticle, reticle 2 is named reticle. Okay, so it should be named reticle. Find child reticle. When do we add the reticle? After ready. Okay, maybe we should just get it here. Let's just see if we find it. Start. Object null. Oh no. Let's try find children of. Let's see if that works. Empty. Empty. Great. I could just look at the remote tree. Hold on. Test world. Play this scene. Remote. Character. User interface. Has a reticle. I mean, I could just get rid of the code to like dynamically add the reticle and just have a reference to it in the character. That's okay, I guess. Get rid of the change reticle. Because we're only going to have one weapon in this game. It's probably fine. Okay, I'll have an export var reticle. This is fine. And just get rid of the change reticle function. And we use reticle. Okay, here, add child node, or no, instantiate child scene reticle 1. And your reference is oh, does this even get used anymore? Okay, no, I guess it doesn't. So actually, no, this doesn't even need to know about the reticle, the character. But the pause menu does. Export var reticle. I thought I put a class name there. Reticle 0. Reticle. Oh no, are these two separate scripts? Oh, damn it. I'll just center container. Pause menu now has a reference to reticle. Oh, great. Character. This has an export var character, okay. Assign the character. Okay. And it's just invisible. Probably should look at the original code. First person controller v2. Quality first person controller v2. GitHub. Let's see, it sets reticle got character. User interface add child reticle. Wait, so where's the actual here, reticle 1. Maybe I should try reticle 0. It's just a dot. Actually, yeah, let's do that instead. Here, we don't need this. Add a child node. Not a child node, add a child scene, reticle 0. Dot crosshair. Used to use a dot crosshair in Counter-Strike a long time ago. And this has a reference to the reticle, so you can hide it. I guess ideally it would be like a signal that the reticle listens to. So then the pause menu doesn't need to know about the reticle. Whatever. Signal paused. Signal unpaused. Pause dot emit. And then unpaused dot emit. Now the reticle can listen to the freaking your pause menu has paused, connect to script reticle, unpause menu paused, visible equals false. And then on pause menu, unpaused, visible equals true. Now it's not visible at all. Damn it. Was polygon 2D. Actually, I have some assets. Hold on. Kenny crosshair pack. CC0. All right. Here, I just want to add this somewhere. Guess I can put that in textures. Add child node. Set texture rect, texture, quick load, crosshair 01, yeah. All right, that looks good. And it's still not visible. Breakpoint. Well, okay, it's listening to the function. Guess we're not using these. Yeah, delete this node. And don't even need this. So why is it not visible? What am I looking at? Dot reticle. It's full rect. This is center inherited position. Anchor center. Hold up. Anchor. Anchor center. Don't tell me it was there the whole time. Oh my god, was it there the whole time? Oh my god. Well, anyway. We've got a crosshair. It's just a dot. Alright. Alright, probably gonna take a break in a bit, but before that, let's add a settings singleton. Make this an auto load. Have like a project settings auto load add script settings. No name settings. Okay, settings var FOV float and a var mouse sensitivity float. And add signals for these. Signal FOV changed. Set value fov equals value. Fov changed emit. Set value. Mouse sense equals value. Mouse sense changed. Dot emit. I don't think we're actually going to need the mouse sensitivity changed. But anyway, whatever the default value is, character do. Update FOV happening in physics process. Okay, so keep that. And we'll base it off of the settings FOV. Settings.fov. We'll use that as a default value. Settings.fov plus 10. Settings FOV. Okay. Should still work. Yep, okay. And now we make a settings menu to edit the FOV. But first, mouse sensitivity, change this to settings, mouse sensitivity. And I guess it's 0.1 by default. We'll just do that. Get rid of this export var. Have this reference settings mouse sense. And actually, we won't need the mouse sense change, so we'll just get rid of it. Getting rid of code. What are you doing now? Making a settings menu? Yeah. Let's do that. Okay, so is this going to be part of the pause menu? Probably. But it's also going to be a child scene so we can instantiate it in the main menu. Okay, cool. So, make another panel container settings menu. Settings menu. Save branches scene. Settings menu. Alright. And you, settings menu, layout. Do in the center. We'll just do the same thing that we're always doing. do a margin container, do a label, label settings, center, set the theme for the margin container. Add a VBox container. Put the label in the VBox container. Add a slider, H slider. And I think a grid container actually is what we want below the label. With 2 columns, add label FOV U minimum with 200. Shrink end. We'll just add the number. Make this 3 columns. Give this a minimum width. Sure. Right aligned. It's not centered. Oh, shrink center. There we go. And then mouse sensitivity. Right aligned. Should be good. Should I like multiply these values by 0.1? It's like have it display as 10 times the actual value. Probably be easier. Make this exponential. Min value must be greater than 0. Do 0.01. Max value 20. Okay, we got the UI and we need a back button. Yeah, we can make that fill. Whatever. Whatever. Give this a name. Pause slider. Give this a name. Or unique name. Yeah, access unique name. FOV value. Mouse sense slider. Mouse sense value. And now add the actual script for the settings menu. Okay. And we're going to be updating the values in settings. Okay, on ready var value label ZU H slider. I like doing this to get the types. Mouse sense slider. Mouse sense value label is you. I'll do a func update. Sliders and values. Update values. Value dot text equals stir settings dot fav. And then now sense value dot text is stir settings dot mouse sense. Probably need to format the whoops. Okay, update values. Center anchor this. Have it be invisible by default. I think we can just, is this the control on var settings menu control equals u. Probably access this unique names. Just in case. On, okay, so on and I should add a signal back button pressed. All right, you. Ugh. You. All right. On the options button pressed. Options button. Options button. Options button pressed. Connect to script. Pause menu on options button pressed. Set pause container dot visible is false, and then settings menu dot visible is true. And then in the settings menu on back button pressed, pause container dot visible equals true. In the settings menu on the back button pressed, we make ourselves invisible. Or where are we? Settings menu. Settings menu. This is the back button. On back button pressed. Make ourselves invisible, and then back button press dot emit. All right. We should listen to these sliders for signals. Value changed. When value changed, fav slider value changed. We can just call update values and set settings dot fav equals value. Mouse sense slider value changed. Settings dot mouse sense equals value, and then update values. That should be everything. Start options FOV slider. Oh god, it goes to 0. Oh, That is wonky. Oh god. Okay. Step. That's our problem. 0.01. And NFV, do some reasonable values. 30 to 130. Well, 30 isn't very reasonable, but... okay. Now we just have to have the player, the camera, listen to the... I guess we can put it here. Settings. Actually, what is the... Hold on. One more thing on the settings menu. Ready, update. Update slider values. Update slider values. Slider dot value equals settings fav. Open options menu. Yeah, it's the current values. Okay. Okay, and the FOV slider does work. It's just not instantly taking effect while you're in the pause menu. All right, cool. I think that's good. Quit to menu. Pause menu, quit to menu. Quit to menu button pressed. Call it here. And I guess you can just load the main menu scene. Get trees, change in the file. Main menu. Start. Quit to menu. Back to the main menu. But now the main menu's broken. Oh. Oh, it's because get tree paused. Quit to menu. Oh, that's not it. Wait. Oh, wait, no, false. Pause is false. Start. Options. Quit to menu. Yeah, it works. Okay, cool. Okay. We should make the main menu have the options as well. Okay. And the settings menu here. Settings menu visible off by default. On options button down. Settings menu dot visible equals true. I'll call this menu container dot visible equals false. Connect to the setting menu back button pressed. Menu container visible true. All right, cool. Options menu, back menu up. Okay, need to move that. Settings menu. Where are you? Layout. Anchor center. All right. Settings. Yeah, settings menu visible false. Okay, that's all the basic menu stuff. Just checking that our values persist. Yep. Cool. Is that good for now? Okay, I think I'll end stream, take a break, come back to it later. We've got animations, and then features, level design, make the shotgun fire projectiles. Yeah, still got lots to do. You have it's like 10 days. Yeah, and I'll be out for a few days in the middle of it. But yeah. Alright, thanks to whoever's watching the stream or listening in the background. Thank you, Hero of Logic. Thank you, Smugrats. Thank you, JVZ. Thank you, Sunny. Thank you, Susie Blue. And, alright, yeah. Let's see. Bro, I'm still alive. Here's our unofficial raid. Unofficial raid to Brolime. Alright. O2 Neo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.